Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're going to talk about how to change the name on your Gmail account. So let's get started. So first, after getting the application and to change your Gmail address name, click on your profile or the icon top right. After that, click on Google account, then personal information. And in order to change your name on Gmail, click on name. So type down your first and last name. For example, here I'm gonna write Nina. After that, tap on save. And now your Gmail name has been changed successfully. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.